Hey everybody, I caught some perch today, small perch, and I'm cleaning them. This is the flesh and the tail. I don't eat the tail. You can, it tastes a little like bacon, but we don't eat them. But I do clean these. I have to clean these on the inside. This is where the guts were in here, and I clean that out with my fingernail. Not sure if you can see in there, but there's kind of a membrane that's dark. I used to take my fingernail and just scrape all through there and get that all cleaned. I don't anymore. I don't worry about it too much. I just figure I get the worst of it out of there, and that's good enough. We're not eating that. Anyway, that's the rib cage. We're just eating the flesh, the meat right here. So I'll show you how I do this. These guys are already cleaned. I have the water running. This fish has some blood on it right here. Slime on the tail a little bit. So I clean all that. But I start out in the gut area. This is the rib cage. I'll push my fingernail right in there. Sometimes that film there will make a pop noise. Didn't pop. There it is on my finger. I've got a catcher in the drain, a screen to catch all the gunk so it doesn't go down the drain. Okay, I got that off my fingernail. Now I'm going to scrape my fingernail through there a little bit. Just clean that. I just grabbed that with between my index finger and thumb and pulled. A little bit more junk there. I just clean that off. Now I got some blood there. I'm going to squeeze a little bit. Squeeze that blood right out of there. Run my fingers down there. I try not to run my hand this way because that's the way the bones poke into me. Those bones are pointed that way. So if I run my hand down toward the head of the fish, where the head would be, that's how I get bones poking me. Now I'm cleaning the tail, getting all the slime off the tail. Even though I'm not going to eat it, I still get the slime off. And then I look, this is the top where the dorsal fin was. There's always a little bit of blood there. And I just pinch that a little bit. I clean that. Again, I run my finger toward the tail. Not this way, not toward the head. Because of the bone situation. I don't like to get poked with bones. That hurts. Now this fish is all done. Looks good to me. And that's how we do it. I'll turn the water off so you can hear me better, but that's how we do it. These guys are all ready to go. I'll let them drip dry. If I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, I'll let them drip dry. Otherwise, I'll put them in a container like this. I got a few more to do, and then I will put some water in there so that all the flesh, all the fish themselves, the flesh of the fish, is underwater. Then I'll put the lid on and freeze it. First, I mark it with a piece of masking tape. I'll mark what date, what lake, how many fish, and what kind of fish they are, so I know. Want to see me do another one? I got a little tiny one here. Oh yeah, I got a little tiny one here. I'll do that. Done. Another tiny one. I don't like this part of the cleaning perch. I'd rather do the knife cleaning, you know, what I did out in the garage. This tends to hurt my back after a while. It's a pain, but I love to eat perch. That's the best tasting fish in our area, in my opinion, even better than walleyes. Thanks for watching.